Right now, it looks like this is going to be a long war. Peshmergas are doing their best, fighting ISIS with whatever they have in their possession, which is not much, really. It's a very difficult war, but I can tell you that it is a war.
Officials in Washington are always praising the Kurds. So are you saying that despite all of this praise, the help isn't coming to the Kurds?
You know, we are grateful for the airstrikes, but in terms of the ground support that we need, we haven't received that. Praising is good. We also see ourselves as trusted allies of the United States and the free world, but fighting needs more than just praising. It needs guns, it needs weapons.
And that's what you need?
That's what we need, right?
And if you don't get it, what happens?
We will fight as much as we can. We are not going to give up or surrender to ISIS. But it will be a much difficult war, and unfortunately many more lives will be lost.
President Obama said there's a strategy in place to degrade and defeat ISIS. Do you believe him?
Well, he is the President of the United States.
But do you believe there is a strategy in place that will do that?
I hope there is, but we need that strategy to be translated into action.
So you're not seeing it?
Not yet.
You're not seeing the strategy?
We have not seen...
But that
like
can degrade and defeat?
Not yet. I mean, so far we have not seen any serious action that can quickly defeat ISIS.
Or slowly? Can it work over the long term?
It can, but once again, I mean, we are sacrificing more lives and putting many innocent lives at risk by allowing ISIS to survive for a longer period.